We're at a place of nature. I think it's called the Lebanon Loonding for trucks and boats and toots. You wouldn't believe your eyes. 10 million people died. What did the fan say to the other fan? You blow me away. That's Laffy Taffy for you. Hello, it's the section of the show where it's Bob Robbie's ways of fishing. So, first thing you want to do with catching a fish is put down your fishing pole. The way to cast your line is to pick up the hook, just like this. It can have a worm, but if you don't want a worm on it, that's fine. And then what you gotta do is just throw it. I got a fish, do you see it? I'm scared of a stabbing.
I dare you to cross the street, bro.
I'll do it. That's righteous. Oi. It's good. I give it a bogey. I'm Bass Smells, and we're in the polar Arctic area. And I think I just found what looks to be what the rescue team dropped off for us. Let's go check it out. Oh man, it's not! Ew.
Are you having fun there, son?
Well, yeah, Papa. Why, gee willikers, I think I got something. Nope.
And now, touching nasty stuff.
Roll the clip or else I will slip. No one is I can't. They're scaring the fish away. I wanna shoot them. Let's get them. I did it two. They're falling off the ship one by one. I got them. Help me. Yo. I ate some chocolate. I can't swim.
You don't know where you're going, you cross the street. You don't know why you did, you walk back across the street.
And now, touching nasty stuff.
Ew, I ain't touching that. Yo, there's a woman. Boo! Man!
Here's Johnny.
His hand! Catch him. Oh no. Catch him. Oh no. Oh no.